Hello, people. What's up? How are you doing, man? I hope you're doing great. So, anyway, this particular video is another meditation video. I'll be teaching how to do this particular technique called Transcendental Meditation technique. Just sit down and listen to me. I'll be telling you how to do that. But before explaining you how to do this transcendental meditation technique, I'd like to say that there are so many meditation techniques out there with the names like mindfulness or breath awareness technique or chanting technique and so on, and yoga, using your body to meditate. So all of these meditations have different names and stuff, but in a sense and in a way, if you look at them, all of them are doing the same thing. Actually, they are trying to make you relaxed, or they're trying to make you concentrate on something, and when you feel relaxed, you'll be energized in a way. So in a way, you are absorbing the energy of the universe, and you feel positive and you feel healthy. So these are the few benefits of meditation, or why meditation is done. And there are more deeper reasons, for example, in search of meaning, or in search of the answers that you seek, or to want to know why this world exists and stuff like that. So anyway, transcendental meditation is a particular method that has been quite popularized in the Western world with the name Transcendental Meditation, and the dedicated promoters of this particular technique, for example Bob Roth, they suggest that you learn this transcendental meditation technique under a certified teacher, or do a course for 3 days or something. Well, definitely try that out. I'm not saying don't do that, but let's say if you don't have the resources of actually going through that, let's say time and money and energy kind of stuff, I'll be giving a quick teaching instruction on how to go about this transcendental meditation technique. So first of all, like any other technique, you sit comfortably with the back straight and you feel relaxed. Once you do that, you select any word which doesn't necessarily have any meaning. I suggest the word Om. It's pretty easy and simple. There's no meaning to it, and it's just a sound. So Om, what you do is you close your eyes and simply repeat in your head this word Om, like Om, 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 Om. You don't have to say it out, you just do it inside your mind. You see, just keep on repeating in your head Om, Om, Om. Yeah, that's what you do. And if you get distracted by something, and as soon as you realize that you have been distracted and you've been carried away, you simply bring back your concentration back to this repetition of the word called Om, like Om, Om. You simply do this for say 20 minutes on a daily basis, and that's how it is. So it's best if you do this under the supervision of a teacher or something. That is what the suggestion goes, but you can definitely try this at your home and see how you feel. that's it. If you have any other questions, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply you. And thank you so much for watching. Do like, comment and share, and if you'd like to support me, check my Patreon page in the description below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.